Welcome to our channel. Today we how to track spending using financial apps, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by selecting a financial app that suits your needs. Research popular options like Mint, in-app, or Pocket Card. Download the app from your device's app store. Open the app and create an account, providing the necessary information. Link your bank accounts for automatic transaction tracking. Ensure that your app is secure by enabling two-factor authentication if available. Customize your spending categories based on your budget. Set spending limits for each. Manually enter cash transactions that may not sync automatically. Review your financial goals within the app settings. Check for any recurring expenses, like subscriptions, and input them. Regularly update your spending to keep an accurate account balance. Use the app's reporting features to analyze your spending patterns. Set alerts for when you approach your budget limits. Take advantage of built-in tools for savings and investment tracking. Schedule weekly or monthly check-ins to review your financial progress. Stay engaged with the app's resources for tips and best practices. Adjust your budget as necessary to align with your financial goals. Make use of any community features for additional support. Finally, keep your app updated to benefit from new features or security improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.